Hi everyone, this is Sneha. Hope you all doing well. I'm working as a data engineer in top MNC with the 8.5 LP of package. I'm also one of the student of Sayu Softtech, and today I'm here to share my personal experience with this big data classes, which is by Sagar sir. So I always wanted to explore data fields in deep. For that, I want a proper guidance. So I started contacting people if anyone knows any type of classes or coaching related to the big data or data engineering. So after graduation, actually I was struggling to get job as a data engineer due to my lack of knowledge about data. So my sister's one of friend told me about these classes. She's also one of the previous student for these classes, and she was very sure about these classes that she told me that I have to do this class for my future betterment, and I take the admission for it. I must tell that Sagar sir is a great teacher that I ever got in my life. His teaching skill was so brilliant. He's so disciplined throughout the classes. If we have any single doubt related to any topic, he's always there to help us. He's personally paying all attention to each student. I must recommend to all the learners who have to make their career in a big data. Please start their career by taking admission for these classes, and I'm sure you will never regret about it. Yeah, thank you so much.